welcome back to my channel, Yummy and Dinosaurs. And today I am gonna be showing you how to make this, the bronze YouTube play button. And yeah, so basically, if you don't know about what a play button is, if you don't know about a play button, then a play button is basically an award that you get for reaching a certain amount of subscribers. So it starts with the silver play button, and then there's the gold play button, and then the diamond play button, and then the ruby play button. So yeah, and I'm gonna make the bronze play button. So the first thing we need to do about this bronze play button is that it needs to be smaller than the silver play button, because the silver play button is the smallest, and then there's the gold play button, which is like much bigger than the silver play button, and then there's the diamond play button, which is like just a play button like this big. And yeah, so we need to make a play button that is smaller than the smallest play button already, the silver play button, and this is smaller than that. So this is 4.4 in length and 3 inches in width, so I think it's smaller than the silver play button. So yeah, if it's not smaller, then just go and search the size and make it smaller than that. But I prefer this, because this is the smallest I could get it, and well, it's looking good. So the first thing you're gonna need for this is a piece of cardboard, and I've already rounded the corners of this piece. So yeah, this is also 4.4 by 3 inches, by the way. So the next thing you're gonna need is an X-Acto knife. Okay, so the third thing you're gonna need is some scissors, which you're gonna use to round the corners of this. Third thing you're gonna need is a pencil. And the last thing you're gonna need is a can of bronze spray paint. So I'm just using copper spray paint, but it looks like bronze spray paint anyway. So yeah. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna round the corners of your piece of cardboard. Now we've already rounded them. And now you need to draw a triangle shape in the middle of this cardboard piece. And you're just gonna do that with a pencil. And yeah. Okay guys, I've cut this out and it looks like this. Oh, cut this out, drawn this on. And now what you need to do is cut this out, but not all the way. You need to cut like all the layers except for the last one or the last two. So yeah, and if you don't understand me, I'm just gonna show you. Okay, so I've cut this all the way out, and you can see. Oh wait, what am I saying? I have not cut this all the way out. I've just cut, like, I don't know, the top 2 layers, and you can see that I have not cut this all the way out from here, and this piece is still in there. So basically what you do is use your X-Acto knife, cut this out, but not all the way, obviously, and you don't like just pierce it through. you just cut the top 2 layers until you reach the bottom layer, and you can just tell when you've reached the bottom layer. And then just put your X-Acto knife in like this, and do it like this, and just do this, and then just like peel it off. So yeah. And now our play button is almost finished. And if you like it like this is like the cardboard play button. You can keep it like this, but I'm gonna take it one step further and paint it bronze. Okay, so guys, I spray painted this, and now I've got 2. So yeah, that's basically how you make a bronze play button. And yeah, so because I have two of these bronze play buttons, I'm gonna give one of these to my friend Crystal Breath Usher. So yeah, I'm just gonna give him this play button because he has a talent too. But I'm gonna give him this bronze play button because he's my friend and he has a talent too. So yeah. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. And goodbye.